Good morning students. Now I am going to explain about number system. Number system is the first chapter in 7th standard mathematics of term 1. What is number system? Number system is defined as the collection of numbers and writing system for expressing numbers using digits and other symbols in consistent manner. Number system can be divided into rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers includes natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. In your previous class, that means 6th standard, you learned about natural numbers and whole numbers. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are positive integers which starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Natural numbers are very much familiar to us. Natural numbers is denoted by capital N. What is whole number? Whole numbers are 0 and positive integers. That means natural numbers together with 0, which is known as whole numbers, which is denoted by capital W. In 7th standard, you are going to learn about integers. Integers is defined as the collection of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. In 7th standard, you are going to learn about addition of integers, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. What is integers? Integers are defined as the collection of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. It is denoted by capital Z. Integers can be represented by using number line. Number line gives a visual representation of integers with positive numbers to the right side of the 0 and negative numbers left side of the 0. Next we learn about addition of integers. Before that we must know about rules for addition and subtraction. For addition, at least we need two numbers. Two numbers have same sign, that means positive sign or negative sign, which are considered as same sign integers. If both the numbers have same sign, we have to add the numbers. That means positive number added with positive number to get positive integer, and negative number is added with negative number to get negative integer. Suppose the two numbers have different sign. That means one number is positive number, another one is negative number, means these two numbers are considered as different sign integers. When we add the different sign integers, the sum will be difference between the two numbers. For example, let us consider two numbers plus 2 and plus 3. The positive number is added with another positive number, we get positive integer. Plus 2 is added with plus 3 to get plus 5. In second case, minus 6 is added with minus 4. Here both the numbers have negative sign. So the these two numbers are added to get minus 10. That means negative number is added with negative number. We get negative integer. In third case, plus 2 is added with minus 6. Here, both the numbers have different sign. So, when we add the integers, the sum will be difference between the integers. Difference between 2 and 6 is 4. The answer 4 takes greater number sign. In fourth case, plus 3 is added with minus 1. So, these numbers have different sign. When we add these two numbers, the sum will be difference between these two numbers. The difference between 3 and 1 is 2. So, 2 takes greater number sign plus. So, the answer is plus 2. Now, we discuss the addition of integers. Number line is a simple tool to visualize addition of integers. Imagine that the number line is a road with markers on it. We are allowed to step forward or backward on the road. One step taken is equal to 1 unit number. Initially, we start at 0. Face positive direction. We step forward for positive integer and backward for negative integers. For example, 10 is added with minus 15. On the number line, we first start at 0 facing positive direction and move 10 steps to forward, reaching 10. Then we move 15 steps backward to represent minus 15 and reach at minus 5. So, the answer is minus 5. Here, both the numbers have different sign. So, the sum will be difference between these two numbers. So, the difference between 10 and 15 is 5. 5 takes greater number sign. So, the actual answer is minus 5. Now, we work out book exercise. Exercise 1.1 in your book. Third question is add the following in the first subdivision. 8 and minus 12 using number line. 8 is added minus 12 by using number line. On number line, we first start at 0 facing positive direction and move 8 steps forward, reaching 8. Then we move 12 steps backward to represent minus 12 and reach at minus 4. Here 8 and 12 are different sign. So the sum will be difference between 8 and 12. The difference between 8 and 12 is 4. 4 takes greater number sign. So the answer is minus 4. The next question is minus 3 is added with minus 5 using number line. Here both the numbers have same sign. On number line, we first start at 0 facing negative direction and move 5 steps backward reaching 5. Then we move 3 steps backward to represent minus 3 and reach at minus 8. Thank you, students.